Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial on how to create a premium UDP custom config and set it up on the UDP Custom app. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, be sure to visit our blog. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for udpcustom.site. Click on the official website link. Once you're on the home page, click the hamburger icon on the left side to open the menu list. From the menu, select UDP Configs. A new window will pop up. Click on UDP Custom Files. Now you're on the Premium UDP Configs files list. Click on one of the files. It will open a new window with a download page. On the download page, click the download button. In a few seconds, your file will be downloaded. Next, open the Play Store app on your device and search for UDP Custom. Click on it, and then click the Install button to download it to your device. Once the app is installed, click Open. You'll reach the app's home screen. On the home screen, check the box for UDP Custom. Now we import the UDP Premium file, which we downloaded earlier. Click the big plus icon button, and a pop-up will appear. Then, click Open Config. This will open your device's download folder. Find the file we downloaded earlier and click on it. By doing this, the file will be imported successfully. Once the file is imported, click the Connect button to connect to a fast browsing internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great content.